It is most appropriate that the first video on Vegas Visual is the opening of the Virgin Hotels. Virgin Group's Richard Branson, with 6 investment companies, 4 of which are Canadian, purchased the Hard Rock Hotel for $500 million in 2018 and then spent another $200 million on renovations. Branson wanted to purchase the Drew, which was a Fontainebleau, back in 2017, but the plans fell through, so the Hard Rock was bought, which originally opened in 1995. Side note, the Drew Hotel site is where projects go to die. The site was announced as a Fontainebleau back in 2005, then the Drew much later. After multiple financial problems and multiple owners over the past 15 years, the current shutdown is due to the pandemic. Virgin Hotels is about 1 mile east of the Strip, where Planet Hollywood is. The hotel opens on March 25th, and it still has the same 1,504 rooms and 130,000 square feet of convention space. There will be free parking and no resort fees, while the rooms will start around $155. The Canyon Tower and Opal Tower rooms, which are called chambers, starts at $155, while the Ruby Tower, which has its own valet and check-in area, will be all suites and start at $225. You do have the option of using the hotel app. With Lucy, you can check in and choose your own room while she becomes your room key. Lucy can also adjust your room settings, as well as give the option to order room service while you are away from the hotel, and the food will be ready when you return. Dogs are permitted in the dog-friendly chambers, but not in the public area. When you get hungry, there are over a dozen restaurants which include all the normal Vegas foods like steak, pizza, Asian, Mexican, and American foods. The 60,000 square foot casino will be operated by the Mohegan tribe, which will make it the first Native American tribe to operate a Vegas casino, and it will be called the Mohegan Sun Casino. There will be 50 table games, 650 slot machines, and a sports book operated by Betfred. Entertainment will include 10,000 square feet of nightclub space, a live music venue, a 5-acre pool area, and an event lawn. Virgin Hotels will be a Curio collection by Hilton Hotel. And you heard it right, the official name of the Virgin Hotels is Virgin Hotels, plural with an S. A 3-year extension to host the AVN Adult Expo was signed. Hard Rock has been hosting the expo in the past. Virgin will be the only Las Vegas resort with their own airline, Virgin Atlantic, that flies to 8 U.S. cities, including Vegas, as well as many other countries. Virgin does partner with Delta in over 200 U.S. cities, so expect to have an airfare hotel package available. Virgin will likely compete against similar properties like Nomad and the Cromwell for the 20-something crowd. Below is a link to a video with Richard Branson talking about taking over the Hard Rock Casino in 2018.